Dazzling Mentee.
Hello little angels. Animal and their babies, they are like just you and me. They need lots of love from their parents everywhere. Like kids are going to mama cat, mama cat, mama cat. Kids are going to mama cat. They are saying mew. Puppy is the baby of mama dog, mama dog, mama dog. Puppy is the baby of mama dog. Bow wow, they bark. Piglets are going to mama pig, mama pig, mama pig. Piglets are going to mama pig. They are saying oink oink. Growl says tiger, tiger, tiger. Growl says tiger. Its baby is cub, and its baby is cub. Mama lion is roaring, roaring, roaring. Mama lion is roaring and calling her baby cub. Growl, growl, dear bear says, bear says, bear says, with his baby cub. Mama sheep has a baby lamb, baby lamb, baby lamb. Mama sheep has a baby lamb and they are saying bleat, bleat, bleat. Mama cow call her baby calf, baby calf, baby calf. Mama call her baby calf and they are saying meow, meow. Mama horse with that baby foal, baby foal, baby foal. Mama horse with her baby foal says neigh neigh everywhere. Mama giraffe with her baby calf is enjoying her food. She is saying bleat bleat bleat, bleat bleat bleat, bleat bleat bleat. She is saying bleat 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 and love her baby a lot. Mama zebra with her baby foal, baby foal, baby foal. Mama zebra with her baby foal saying weenie weenie. Mama rhinoceros says bellow bellow, bellow bellow, bellow bellow. Mama rhinoceros says bellow bellow with her baby calf. Meh, meh. Bleat says goat and her baby kid. Mama elephant says trumpet, says trumpet, says trumpet. Mama elephant says trumpet and called her baby calf. Mama rabbit with her baby kids, baby kids, baby kids. Mama rabbit with her baby kids says squeak, squeak, squeak. Mama buffalo is with her baby calf, baby calf, baby calf. Mama buffalo is with her baby calf and says moo, moo. Its milk keep us healthy and fit, healthy and fit, healthy and fit. Its milk keep us healthy and fit and make our bones strong. Mama monkey with her baby infant, baby infant, baby infant. Mama monkey with her baby infant enjoys eating apples and says chatter, chatter. Pup is going to mama wolf, mama wolf, mama wolf. Pup is going to mama wolf. Howl, howl, they are saying. Wow, they all are very very cute, and now we all come to know about the young ones and their voices. So watch this video with your sweet smile. Till then, bye bye.